Walkinshaw are well known throughout Australia for their design and engineering capabilities. In 2016, New Age Caravans and Walkinshaw became partners in the venture for New Age Caravans, developing and designing new products and technologies to suit the caravan industry. And the first one that we rolled out in the market was our range of chassis. All of our chassis that we produce through Walkinshaw are designed and engineered by the Walkinshaw team. They are all robotic welded, and they all feature rolled A-frames, which are single piece. They are all hot dip galvanised. We have Elco rocker roller suspension on our tandem touring versions, and we run Cruise Master suspension on all of our independent suspension models. The chassis itself has been through thousands and thousands and thousands of kilometres of real-world testing, but something that's extremely unique to Walkinshaw is the availability of their 4-post test rig, where we've been able to replicate in 2 days up to 20,000 kilometres of real-world testing. Some of the journeys we've taken of late where we've done real-world testing of a full van at its maximum capacity at 3.5 tonne. We ran 16,000 kilometres around Australia, from Melbourne across to Perth, Perth up to Broome, across to Darwin. We captured all that information and what happens to the suspension and the chassis during that process. We were then able to put the results from that test into our test rig and then duplicate the same durability and all the same testing that we captured in the real world within our studio over 2 days. So from a cost and time point of view, we're really being able to accelerate that testing on all of our chassis without leaving our studio.
So I'm currently running R&D, which is research and development, and I also oversee the drafting area. So they're responsible for processing all of the customer plans that come in and preparing them for production, so the guys in the factory can build according to spec. Yeah, so R&D, it's a very important process, to put it bluntly. All of our new innovations and products start with R&D. They go through a rigorous process whereby both of our design teams, engineering and R&D, get together, they come up with the concepts, they come up with the prototyping, they come up with the pilot building, any necessary trial and testing, and then obviously tying into the marketing launch with the other departments to make sure that it's delivered to the consumers in the best possible fashion. We've got a design and engineering team that spans across New Age and obviously our new allies in Walkinshaw. We have an enormous amount of talent and engineering experience across those two faculties. So Walkinshaw bring an enormous amount of engineering experience. They've got the capability on their premises in Clayton to do testing that no other caravan company can replicate. We've got the 7-post rig. We've got a full styling studio where they do full clay foam modelling, CNCing. It's the sky's the limit. We've got, you know, not only do we have the machinery over there, but we've also got the brains over there. They're such technically minded people. They've got processes that the caravan industry has never seen before. It'll put us in great stead for the future. I mean, it's just another string to our bow that no one else is going to have.